See, in the last class, we have discussed the meaning of redemption of preference share, and we have discussed what is preference share, then how to redeem the preference share, then what are the legal requirements or legal rules as per the Companies Act of 2013 for redemption of preference shares. We have discussed. So we have gone through. First thing is shares must be fully paid up. Then what happens? We cannot utilize the debenture for the purpose of redemption. So that and all we have seen. Then how to settle the capital, how to settle the redemption premium, and why we need to create a capital redemption reserve account, and what is bonus issue, what is final call. So various things comes. So that and all we have discussed in the previous class. And item used for redemption, these are the items which is used for redemption. Item which cannot be used for redemption also we discussed. Then one journal entry, all the journal entries we have seen. Then one problem also we have discussed in the last class. So now we will move on to second problem. Second problem we will see now. Yes. So PQ Limited has redeemable preference share capital of 4 lakh in 5,000 preference shares of 100 each, 80 paid. So here what you will come to know, first thing you will notice here, that is shares are not fully paid. How shares are not fully paid? See here, face value 100 each. Of that 80 is paid. So can you unmute? Can you mute yourself, everyone? Everyone, please mute yourself. Yes. Who is that? Mute yourself. Yes. So see the question. PQ Limited has redeemable preference share capital of 4 lakh in 5,000 preference shares of 100 each, 80 paid. So what happens here? This is a partly paid share. So if you want to do redemption of preference share, you need to convert these partly paid shares into fully paid shares. If you don't convert, then you cannot make redemption of preference share. So there is, for conversion of preference share, what you need to do? You need to make one call. What is that call? Final call. For final call, there is a journal entry. So then final call money received, again there is a journal entry. So two journal entry, additional journal entry will come in this problem. It is resolved to redeem preference shares at premium, specifically given in the problem. Shares are redeemed at premium, that is more than the issue price, 20% after fulfilling the formalities. The company makes the following issues. So now company makes various fresh issues for the purpose of redemption. First one, 25,000 equity shares of 10 each at premium of 50%. So what is this 25,000 equity shares of 10 each? This is nothing but fresh issue. Fresh issue of equity share, premium of 50% is given. So this premium is nothing but security premium account. Security premium account balance is not given in the problem. We need to find out. How to find out? By seeing the fresh issue. Fresh issue is made at premium. That means there is a security premium account. Credit balance. Second one, 1010% debentures of 100 each. So what happens here? 1010% debenture of 100 each. There is journal entry for debenture. That is, debentures are issued. So whenever there is a issue, what is a journal entry? Anyone? Whenever there is a issue, what is a journal entry? Anyone? Whenever there is issue, what is a journal entry? Anyone can unmute yourself and answer. What is a journal entry?
Bank account return to preference share.
Yes. Bank account debit to share capital. Bank account debit to share capital. So in case of preference share, that is preference share capital. Yes. So now similarly debentures are issued. So whenever debentures are issued, like that you need to pass the journal entry. Same thing. Bank account debit to concerned debentures, concerned classes of debenture. There is one journal entry you need to pass. But after that, what happens here? Debentures cannot be used for the purpose of redemption. If you see the rules, Once you see the rules here, above legal requirement is given. See the second point, capital can be redeemed either out of profits of the company or out of the fresh issue of shares, but not out of debenture. So debenture you cannot use. So only for the purpose of journal entry we are writing one entry of debenture. After that we are not using debenture amount for the purpose of redemption. Then company has a credit balance in P&L account 1,50,000. So credit side P&L information is given if necessary. That means what is the rule? Either out of profits or out of reserve. That is for capital. Either out of profit or out of reserves or out of fresh issue. That is for capital redemption. For premium redemption, that is either out of profits or out of security premium account. So here security premium we need to find out. Profit and loss 1,50,000 is mentioned. General reserve. General reserve after using profit and loss account, if necessary, we will use general reserve account. So first we need to see fresh issue balance. After that we need to go for profit and loss account balance. After that if still money is left to be paid, then we will use reserve balance. Pass the entries on implementing the scheme. So we need to pass all the journal entries for this problem. So now we will see the journal entry one by one. So yes, before that there is notes. Notes are given for the purpose of solving the problem. See this note, before the redemption of preference share, share should be made fully paid up. Yes, that is correct, because here partly paid share is given, 80 paid they have mentioned, so we need to convert into 100. So how to convert? By making the call of 20 rupees. So that we need to see. Then amount from the debenture issue cannot be utilized for redemption of share. This is very important point. Amount from debenture cannot be utilized for redemption of shares. So two notes they have mentioned in the answer. Then now working note. Working note, first thing is preference share capital. Preference share capital, how to find out preference share capital? Once you go for the problem, what is the problem? What is the preference share capital given in the problem? Anyone? What is the preference share capital given in the problem? Unmute yourself and ask. Answer. What is the preference share capital given in the problem? Anyone? What is the preference share capital given in the problem? 4 lakh in 5,000 preference shares of 100 each 80 paid. So 4 lakh is given in the problem. But now we are making a call. That means 80 plus 20. 80 plus 20 means now actual preference share capital is 5 lakh after making the call. After making the call, now capital is 5 lakh. So preference share capital 5 lakh we will take. So this 2 lakh 50,000, what we need to do? This is of fresh issue. This 2,50,000 is of fresh issue. So 5 lakh, how the company will pay this 5 lakh to the preference shareholder? First from fresh issue. Once you see the fresh issue information, what is the fresh issue information given? See this 25,000 equity shares of 10 each. So 25,000 into 10. 25,000 into 10, what is the amount? 2,50,000. So 2,50,000 is from fresh issue company will take. Still 2,50,000 is remaining from 5 lakh. So from where it will take remaining amount? There is profit and loss account information is given in the problem. See this profit and loss account information, that is 1,50,000. So we will use full 1,50,000 of profit and loss account. So again, if you use full profit and loss account balance, again 1 lakh is remaining. 5 lakh minus 2,50,000 minus 1,50,000. So again 1 lakh is remaining. Now we are going to use general reserve account. General reserve account balance is 2 lakh, but we want only 1 lakh amount. So we will take only 1 lakh from general reserve. So now 2,50,000 plus 1,50,000 plus 1 lakh is equal to 5 lakh. So see this preference share capital is 5 lakh. It is paid using fresh issue, profit and loss and general reserve account. So this is the first working note you need to do. Similarly, like this only you need to show. Preference share capital in front of 3 arrows you need to make, and from where and all you are taking the money, that you need to show. That is first working note. Second working note, redemption premium. Here redemption is done at premium. How to calculate premium amount? See this, premium is 20% given in the question. it is resolved to redeem the shares at a premium of 20%. If you take 5 lakh into 20%, what is the amount? 5 lakh into 20%, you will get 1 lakh as your redemption premium. But here, security premium account information is not given in the question. So how to find out security premium account information? So, or what is the balance in the security premium account? How to find out? Anyone? How to find out the security premium information here? Unmute yourself. Yes, unmute yourself and answer. How to find out security premium account information here? Yes, anyone can answer. Unmute yourself and answer. Or else you can comment. You can comment in the chat box. You can comment in the chat box also how to find security premium account information from the question. Anyone can answer. There are 18 to 19 people. Anyone can answer. So now what happens here? Security premium account, you need to see it from fresh issue. If you see the fresh issue information, if you see 2 lakh, that is 25,000 equity shares of 10 each at a premium of 50%. So 25,000 into 10, what is the amount? 2 lakh 50,000. 2 lakh 50,000 premium is 50 means 2 lakh 50,000 into 50%. What is the amount? 1 lakh 25,000. 2 lakh 50,000 into 50%. 1 lakh 25,000. So now we know the premium amount, that is 1 lakh 25,000 is there in security premium account. But we want only 1 lakh for redemption premium. We know 1 lakh 25 is there in security premium. We want only 1 lakh. So we will take it from security premium. Since there is a sufficient balance available in security premium account, 1 lakh is utilized. 1 lakh is utilized for payment of redemption premium. That is working note 2. Redemption premium 1 lakh used by paying from security premium account. That is 1 lakh. Next, after doing two working note for capital and redemption, we need to pass journal entries. Books of P Limited journal entries we need to pass. How to pass journal entry? First, we need to convert partly paid share into fully paid share. So for that one journal entry, we need to see first journal entry. Preference share final call account debit to preference share capital account. This is for call made while making the call because money is not paid fully. So what company will do? Company will make one call. One notice will be given to the shareholder to make the full payment. So whenever such notice is given, what is the entry? Preference share final call account debit to preference share capital 1 lakh. How 1 lakh? Because 4 lakh is paid, that is 4 lakh is already paid. So total capital is 5 lakh. 5 lakh minus 4 lakh is 1 lakh. Or else 5,000 into 20. 80 is paid, 20 is remaining. So 5,000 into 20 if you do, you will get what? 1 lakh as your answer. Being the call made on preference share. That is the first journal entry. Now, after this, actual money received. First is call made, then actual money received. What is the journal entry for money received? Call money received. Bank account is debited. Bank account debit to preference share final call account 1 lakh. Same amount. First call is made for 1 lakh. Now 1 lakh is received by the company. Being the final call money received from the shareholder, bank account debit to preference share final call account 1 lakh. So now we have passed the entries for both. That is for partly paid shares, two entries we have passed. After that, we need to see issue entry. What is issue entry? Issue entry is for fresh issue. So fresh issue entry, bank account debit to equity share capital is normal entry. But here shares are issued at premium. So premium of 50%. So what happens here? Bank account debit to equity share capital account to security premium account. Since security premium has credit balance, so credit balance security premium we have taken. See this normal 25,000 into 10, 2,50,000 is a normal at par value. Then premium amount how to calculate? 2,50,000, that is 25,000, that is 2,500 into 10, you will get 25,000, then into 50%. Once you calculate this amount, whether it is 25,000 or 2,500, yes, this is 25,000. There is a correction here. There is a correction of one zero is missing. See, 25,000 into 10, 2,50,000. 2,50,000 into 50% premium, you will get 1,25,000 as your premium. So total money received by the bank is 3,75,000 including the premium. So being fresh issue of equity share for the purpose of redemption. That is third journal entry. Now, fourth one, there is debenture information is given. Company also issued debenture, right? So for that one entry, you need to pass bank account debit. Bank account debit to concerned debenture account. So here, a class of debenture is 10% debenture. Bank to 10% debenture account 1 lakh directly given in the problem. That is being a fresh issue of debenture. That is fourth journal entry for the issue of debenture not to be used for the purpose of redemption. But company issued, that is why we are passing one journal entry. Now is capital money, capital or amount due on redemption to the shareholder. So what and all shareholder will receive? What and all he will receive? Shareholder, first thing he will receive the capital. After that, what happens? He will receive the premium amount. If there is any premium amount also, he will receive. So now we will see the problem. Yes, preference share capital account debit 5 lakh. How 5 lakh? 4 lakh plus 1 lakh. 4 lakh is 80, that is partly paid. Now we have converted into fully paid. 4 lakh plus 1 lakh, that is 5 lakh. Debit redemption premium. See the working note. If you see the working note, you will come to know. See this preference share capital 5 lakh, redemption premium 1 lakh. So 5 plus 1 need to be paid to preference shareholder. So preference share capital account debit, redemption premium account debit to preference shareholder, that is 6 lakh being amount due on redemption. Now amount due on redemption is known. Now actual amount is given to preference shareholder. Next journal entry is money paid to preference shareholder. What is the entry? Preference shareholder account debit to bank account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So being the payment made on redemption, total amount that is 6 lakh, 5 lakh plus 1 lakh, 6 lakh is given to preference shareholder. That is sixth journal entry. Now, after this, redemption premium. There is redemption premium in the question. What is the redemption premium? If you see, 1 lakh is the redemption premium. So this 1 lakh also we need to, there is a settlement of that 1 lakh by using security premium account. So one entry you need to pass, that is security premium account debit to redemption premium. Narration you can give, that is redemption premium being met using security premium account. Security premium account balance is 1,25,000. We have taken 1 lakh from that. Still 25,000 balance is remaining in security premium account. Suppose there is a balance sheet as asked in the question, you will show in the security premium account 25,000 because 1 lakh is utilized for meeting the redemption premium. Next, after that, amount equal to the nominal value of the share must be transferred to capital reserve account from the profit. So only from the profit and reserve we need to transfer to CRR account for the purpose of issuing bonus shares if any mentioned in the problem. So once you go for this information, capital information, now you see from where and all you have utilized the amount other than the fresh issue. Whenever you are transferring the amount to capital redemption reserve account other than the fresh issue, that means excluding 2,50,000 or remaining amount, profit and loss account 1,50,000, general reserve account 1 lakh. So total 2,50,000 you will transfer to capital redemption reserve account. So profit and loss account debit 1,50,000, general reserve account debit 1 lakh to capital redemption reserve account 2,50,000 being redemption of capital out of profits because this amount can be utilized for paying bonus shares, but bonus share information is not given in this problem. So these are the journal entries you need to pass while solving this type of problem, and you need to do two types of working note, capital and for redemption premium. So this is about problem number 2. So yes, now any doubt in this problem? Any doubt in this problem? Yes, any doubt in this problem? You can unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself and ask if there is any doubt. You can comment also. You can comment also in the chat box. Any doubt in this problem? Very simple problem, this one. Very simple problem with very less number of adjustment. Any doubts? No? Yes. So now one more problem we are going to see. One more problem we are going to discuss. So in this class, so that is problem number 3. Problem number 3, if you see, what is the problem number 3? See, Amar Limited. Next problem is of Amar Limited. Amar Limited has the following preference shares. So now here two categories of preference shares are given. So before and all, in the previous problem, only one preference share information is given, but here two categories of preference share information is given. First category is 5,000 preference shares. The 5,006% preference shares of 100 is fully paid up. So that is the first category. After that, second category is there. What is second category? 2,007% preference shares of 100 each, 90 paid up. So what happens here? First one is fully paid. We want all fully paid shares. We don't want partly paid share for the purpose of redemption. So first one is fully paid, so no problem. Second one, if you see 100, 90 paid up, so partly paid. So partly paid, again you need to make a call. So whenever there is a call, there is to journal entry. That thing you need to remember. So call entry you need to make. That is final call entry. That is one thing. Two class of shares. Now next, continue. The company decided to redeem both of its preference shares at par. So before in the previous problem, company decided to redeem the preference shares at premium, but in this problem, company decided to redeem its preference shares at par. Par means what? Equal to the issue price. So suppose the issue price is 100, now company is giving them at 100 only, not at a more amount, not at a less amount, at an equal amount they are giving the shares. So that is preference shares at par on 31st 3 2015. For this purpose, now what happens? Company makes fresh issue. Fresh issue of 9,000 equity shares of 100 each at 10% premium. So see this now, fresh issue information is given. Again that issue is made at premium. Now we know security premium information also from the question itself. That is 9,000 into 100 will get 9 lakh. 9 lakh into 10% if we take, that is 90,000. That is security premium information. Next, the fresh issue was fully subscribed and redemption was carried out as per the statute as journal entries. So here no other adjustment is mentioned. Only thing you need to worry here is about converting the partly paid share into fully paid share. So now we'll see the answer to this problem. First we need to do two notes. Two notes we need to do. First one is preference share capital. Preference share capital, if you see the problem, first 5,000 into 100. 5,000 into 100, what is the this one? Total 5,000 into 100 is 5 lakh. 5 lakh plus 2,000 into 100. 2,000 into 100 is 2 lakh. So 5 lakh plus 2 lakh, 7 lakh. Why 7 lakh? See this information. Company decided to issue redeem both the preference share. Both the preference share means 5,000 plus 2,000 shares of 100 each. So 7 lakh we will get preference share capital. So now there is a fresh issue. Fresh issue they have done 9,000 into 100. 9,000 into 100 means there is a 9 lakh balance, but we want only 7 lakh. So there is a sufficient information, sufficient balance available from fresh issue of equity share. So 9 lakh, from 9 lakh we are taking only 7 lakh. So now preference share capital is met by paying from fresh issue of equity share. Now there is no this one redemption premium. Why there is no redemption premium in this problem? Anyone can answer now. Why there is no redemption premium in this problem? Unmute yourself and answer or comment in the chat box. Why there is no redemption premium in this problem? Yes, at par given. Yes, correct. At par they have mentioned. So because of that, there is no redemption premium in this problem. But there is a note is also mentioned before redemption 10 per share should be called from partly paid 7% preference share. So that is nothing but 90 paid up preference share is there, right? So remaining 10 we need to make a call by passing the journal entry. So now we will pass the journal entry in the books of Amar Limited. So first journal entry for call money, being call money due, final call being made. So that journal entry is 7% preference share final call account debit to 7% preference share capital account. That is nothing but 10 into 10 into 2000. See this 2000 into 90 is there, right? So remaining 10. So 10 into 2000 if you do, what is the amount? Yes, 20,000. So 20,000 is your amount. So 7% preference share final call account debit to 7% preference share capital being the final call made on preference shares. That is 20,000. So narration is also very important. Narration you need to write for each journal entry. So if you don't know to write the narration, then in your own words, at least you need to fill up their narration. Then second one, call money received. Whenever there is a call money received, bank account debited and to preference share final call account being call money received, same amount call money received, that is 20,000. So two entries for making the call and converting the partly paid shares into fully paid shares. So these two entries very important. First is call to capital, then bank to final call for call money received. Next is for issue. Next is for issue. In the problem, they have mentioned fresh issue 9,000 equity shares of 100 each at 10% premium. So there is bank account debit, 2 equity share capital, 2 security premium account. So security premium account, how to calculate? So 9,000 into 100, that is 9 lakh. 9 lakh into 10%. If you take, you will get 90,000. Credit balance, security premium account. So total bank amount will be 9 lakh 90,000. That is third entry. Now, fourth entry is payment of capital and premium to different shareholder. Here there is no premium because it is at par, but there is two category of preference share. So what happens here? 6% preference share capital directly from the question 5 lakh, 7% preference share capital. Now we have converted partly paid share into fully paid shares. So what happens now? It is fully paid. So second category of preference share capital, that is 2 lakh to preference shareholder. So this capital is now given to preference shareholder. Once from shareholder, company takes back their share because it is redeemable shares. So narration will be being the amount due on redemption 7 lakh. Capital is now given to preference shareholder. That is now amount due we calculated for giving the amount to the preference shareholder. There is journal entry preference shareholder account debit to bank account. See this fifth journal entry preference shareholder account debit to bank account, that is 7 lakh being the payment made on redemption, being the payment made on redemption, that is 7 lakh. That is nothing but previous journal entry amount total. That amount is now given to preference shareholder. That is fifth journal entry. Now, any other information is mentioned in the problem. No redemption premium information is given in the problem. So, no journal entry for redemption premium being met. And what about a CRR? This one CRR account. Anyone, whether there is a transfer to CRR account? CRR account, unmute yourself and give the reason why there is no transfer. Yeah, why there is no transfer to CRR?
No, sir.
Yeah, why? What is the reason?
Premium is not involved, sir. Premium is not there, sir. Redemption of premium is not
No,
there.
premium we are not bothered. Premium we are not bothered. We need to see capital information for this one CRR. Once you go for capital information, working note. What is working
In fresh
note?
issue, we got 9 lakh now, sir.
Fresh
7
issue.
lakh.
Yeah, 9 lakh. Yes. But what is
7
the
lakh
rule?
we needed.
Yes. But what is the rule? Rule is other than the fresh issue, profit must be transferred. That is nominal value must be transferred to CRR. So here nominal value means
It's
other
not
than fresh
required now,
issue.
sir.
Yeah, not there. Not given in this problem. See, there is no information about profit and loss account, no information about general reserve account. So there is no CRR account balance. So that is why there is no entry for CRR. Anyways, no bonus share information is given. So only 5 entry. Very simple problem. Only 5 journal entry you need to pass. So this is about third problem. So we discussed the third problem also. So very basic one. So any doubt now? Any doubt regarding the third one? Third problem. Any doubt regarding the third problem? No doubts. No doubts. Any others? Unmute yourself. Only if you are speaking. Whether there is any doubt, you can ask now. This is the right time to ask doubts. Any doubts you can ask. No doubts. So first, one thing you need to remember here is the rules. Rule is very important. So what I will do is in the next class, we will discuss few more problems on this one redemption of preference share. So now I will stop the recording.